August 14th, 11:36 in the morning.
In 4 seconds, 43 people died.
The company that owned that bridge made 1.6 billion euros in profit that same year.
The bridge you crossed this week. Do you know who inspects it?
They knew the risks in '79.
The bridge didn't just fall. It was the end of a 40-year story of war.
Is everything secured?
Yes, let's go. The beach is waiting.
210 meters of highway gone. Vehicles fell 45 meters. They came from 9 countries, a family from Chile on vacation, workers from Albania and Romania, students, parents, grandparents.
In the heart of the economic boom, Italy looked to the future. By 1967, the bridge...
Here's the engineering detail that changes everything. Morandi's cable stays were unique. The steel caner, Riccardo Morandi, wrote a report. He warned that the bridge needed urgent rust treatment on the cables. In 1992, inspectors found a serious defect. The fix? Instead of replacing the corrosion... 1999. Italy privatized its highways. The Benetton family. Now here's the part that should make you angry. Autostrade, the company that owned the bridge, also owned the company that inspected the bridge. They were inspecting themselves. Annual profit, 1.6 billion euros. Annual bridge maintenance, 2.8 million. They spent 0.17. The infrastructure minister was warned multiple times. No action was taken. The University of Genoa produced a report. It found severe problems with Pillar 9, the exact pillar that would collapse. The report was marked confidential. August 14th, 2018. Nobody had told the 43 people crossing it that morning. Here's exactly what happened inside Pillar 9. One corroded wire reached its limit. The steel inside was corroding invisibly. And because the cables were hidden, nobody saw it happening. Over 50 years, that's over 1 billion load cycles on corroding steel.
The Morandi utilized a unique but ultimately flawed design, relying on just one set of stays per side.
One detail almost no other report mentions. Riccardo Morandi built another bridge with identical design.
That crack on the road surface 14 days before the collapsed T. Engineers now know it was
10 to 20% cable strength already lost. 6 months before collapse, they knew. The storm was the trigger. 50 years of neglect was the cause. 15 to 20 bridges collapse every year in Italy. Most go unreported. Morandi was just the one they couldn't ignore. After the 2008 financial crisis, Italy cut infrastructure investment by 35%. The replacement bridge, designed by Genoa-born Renzo Piano, opened in August 2020.
We are proud to open this magnificent bridge today. It symbolizes progress and a brighter future for everyone.
The date is now permanently part of the city's infrastructure. You cannot cross it without remembering.
They think they can ignore us, but we are stronger together.
We will not give up. We must have justice.
All rise. The Court of Assizes is now in session. Silence in the court.
The Morandi Bridge was a time bomb. You could hear the ticking.
but you didn't know when it was going to explode.
We have always prioritized compliance. The claims regarding these past events are simply a misunderstanding of the context at the time.
The 29 million euro settlement reflects the court's decision.
It is simply not enough for 43 lives.
There are elements that prove that since 2013, it was written in documents that the Morandi Bridge was at risk.
They call our vision a fairy tale, a dream that cannot be achieved. But I tell you, this
Given the scope of the plea agreement covering 2022 to 2024, the court must ensure full restitution to the victims' families.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here today because the very foundation of our society, the pact of trust between the state and its citizens, has collapsed.